In this video, you will learn how to use road and street correctly. And you will also practice using road and street. Additionally, in the description, there's a link to the worksheet that accompanies this video. You can download the worksheet to keep all the information that's in the video. This is a road. This is a road. This is a road. And this is a road. All of them are roads, but only some of them are streets. Watch the video clips again and decide which ones you think are streets. Here come the answers. This is a street, and this is a street. So, what's the difference between road and street? Road is more general, whereas street is a type of road. We use street to talk about small roads in a town or city. In the video clips, we also saw some other types of roads. A country road. A motorway. So, when thinking about the difference between road and street, or the difference between road and country road, or the difference between road and motorway, we're really thinking about the relationship between superordinates and hyponyms. Road is the superordinate, and street, country road, and motorway are hyponyms of road. If you find this video about the difference between road and street useful, subscribe to this channel so that you can get all my latest videos about other aspects of English that you might be unsure about. Watch the following video clips and decide if they show streets specifically or roads in general. Here come the answers. Road. Road. Street. 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 Road. Road. Practice using road and street more by writing sentences in the comments. If you like this video, check out this playlist of other English words that you might be using incorrectly. Or, more specifically, if you're not sure about the difference between bus and coach, watch this video. It'll help you find out. Good luck with your English!